Hey, howdy, hey, y'all. Happy Mask Monday. Leanna here. So today we're jumping right on into it. I am going to be doing this Blue Butterfly Stem Cell Deep Hydration Mask. This is the blue mask that I got in my Macy's box that has an absolutely horrible smell. It smells terrible. This mask, the full size of this mask is $85. You would think for $85, even my phone thinks it's funny that I'm getting ready to use a stinky face mask. You would think for $85 that it would at least, oh God, smell better. So let me get my hair pulled back because we don't need blue stuff in my hair. It's already purple. I'm going to take my little trusty spatula. I don't know where I got this sucker from. And we're going to start applying. It says to put a thin layer and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. And I saw some reviews that this might tingle a little bit, so we'll see. Oh, God. I'm telling you, the smell is terrible. So I'm not going to make you wait and watch me put this whole thing on. Oh, God. I'm going to put it on and I'll be right back. One moment, please. Alright, so there we go. She's on. I used my spatula to get it out, and then it's just easier to use your fingers, so it still doesn't smell good. I'm hoping that will dissipate pretty quickly. So it did not take much. It is starting to tingle a little bit right around my nose, which, you know, is kind of a sensitive area. I did not use a whole lot. I still have plenty of the stinky stuff for another day. I'll put the cap back on that and set it over to the side. I'm already starting to itch. Why am I itching? So like I said, the directions said to put a thin layer on. It says something about letting it dry and then washing it off and to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. So the Blue Butterfly Stem Cell Hydration Mask, there's a lot of information on their website about it. The Macy's box says that it is made from seawater and the butterfly bush and has a rich blend of minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants to help cell regeneration. It's supposed to detoxify and rejuvenate the skin. And the website says that it is for intense hydration. And I noticed when I got out of the shower that I had some patches of dryness on my chin, so I'm excited to see if this will exfoliate those away and hydrate my dry skin. So while we're waiting for that to cook and hopefully for the smell to dissipate, I have some friend mail. We'll go through this kind of quickly. I got a card from Miss Pat, who is Blessed GMP, and I will leave everybody linked down in the description box. She sent me a really pretty Easter card, and I think maybe she made this card. It looks like a handmade card, and I know that Pat does some arts and crafts. Look at how pretty it is. It says Happy Easter from Pat. Thank you so much, Pat. Happy Easter to you as well. Such a pretty little card. And then I got some friend mail. Has a dragonfly on it. I can't show you our addresses. From Ashley. And Ashley has a channel here on YouTube as well. I will link her below. She is Ashley Nonya on YouTube. She sent me some goodies. She sent me a card, and the card says, "Bless your heart for being so nice." She doesn't know me very well. Leanna, I absolutely enjoy your videos and your kindness and amazing personality. When I saw these Dragonfly items, I immediately thought of you. Much love, Ashley. Thank you so much, Ashley. That is so incredibly sweet of you. I love that. If you've been around a while, you know that I love my Dragonfly stuff. So she sent me a sheet mask too for Mask Mondays. This is a Q10 Collagen Essence Mask, and it looks like it might be Korean Beauty. That's awesome. I look forward to using that. And then she sent me lots of Dragonfly goodies. She sent me the Dragonfly earrings that Kimmy sent me. And I'm going to keep these because they are just beautiful. You can't have too many pair of Dragonfly earrings. I have 2 holes in my ears. Maybe I'll wear both. Then I'll have double Dragonflies on the side. I don't know, but I make jewelry, so I might try to make a necklace or something so that I have matching earrings and necklace. I don't know. I'll let y'all know what I end up doing with those, but I love them regardless of whether or not I already had some. And then she sent me, I'm not sure what this is. It's in a little package. Let's get it open. I believe that this is a bracelet, and it has the cutest, let's see if I can hold it up so that you can see it. It has the cutest little dragonfly and a little gem dangling in front of it, so that's super cute. I really like that. And so you can kind of double it. It doesn't want to focus. That is super cute. I love that. Little dragonflies, and there's some other charms, hearts and flowers. That is super cute. I love that. This is very unique. I do not have anything like that. Very pretty. And then she sent me a dragonfly ankle bracelet. Look at how cute that is with the little dragonflies on it. That is super cute. And the dragonflies have detail in it, even down to the, let's see if I can get the camera to focus, even down to like the little lines and stuff in their wings. That is super cute. I love that. And I like to wear an ankle bracelet in the summer times, and it has jewels in it right there. That is super cute. I love that. Thank you so much, Ashley. That was so thoughtful of you. I truly do appreciate it. I'm looking forward to wearing those. And then, just before I turned the camera on, I went out to the porch, and on the porch, I have another box of friend mail, and this is from Gloria, who used to be Southern Mom of Boys, and now her channel name is Beauty After 50. So let me get my blade, and we'll get this opened up and see what's in it. Alright, so I got the box open. She sent me a whole box of ColourPop. For those of you keeping track, she sent me a card. The mask is still stinking. It's not tingling anymore. It feels a little warm in patches and cool in others. It's kind of an odd combination, but the cute puffy rainbow sticker on the back. And it came off. I like to keep these. I stick them on my monitor. I have stickers all over my monitor. Gloria told me that she was going to send me something. She said something would end up on my porch. It's a pretty card. It says, I appreciate you. It's got more stickers on it. Leanna, when I saw this set, I immediately thought of you, my friend. Dragonflies. Hope you enjoy them. Love you, Gloria. Oh, thank you, Gloria. So, apparently this box has dragonflies in it, too. I am just going to have tons of dragonflies when y'all are done. It is a box full of ColourPop stuff. How about that? She also sent me some masks. The Crystal Collagen Gold Power Eye Mask. People are messaging me on Facebook in case you're wondering what that noise is. I got bells and whistles everywhere. And then we have a lip mask to go along with it. Hydrogel lip mask infused with gold. And a Freeman Feeling Beautiful Anti-Stress Dead Sea Minerals clay mask. And I love clay masks. They are my favorite mask. So I'm excited about that. Feeling Beautiful. That's awesome. I believe Miss Gloria bought the entire Dragonfly collection from ColourPop. Unbelievable. Miss Gloria, that is unbelievable. Look at the packaging. How beautiful is that? I saw this on the ColourPop website. There's the inside. And look at how beautiful this palette is with the dragonflies on it. Oh my gosh. That is just gorgeous. I cannot wait to use that. Look at this blue. Alright, we're going to have to stick our fingers in that blue. So I just went up that whole middle row. Look at how pretty that is. Ooh. Very, very pretty. Thank you, Gloria. I love it. Alright, I ain't got nothing to wipe my hands on. You know, you just wipe them on your pants and keep on rocking. Then the other thing is a shimmering body powder. Bronze Hour, it says. That's so cute with the dragonflies on it. I love it. Ooh, it's got a shade saver on it. Look at how pretty that is. Very pretty. Oh, it's so buttery soft. Look at that shine. Oh, that is very, very shiny. Very pretty. And then we have Flown Away. What is this? Oh, it's the Super Shock. How cute is that in the little slide out packaging? Oh, look how pretty they are. I love this. Oh, that is so pretty. What shade is that? Mint for You. And the other one is Ladybird. Oh my gosh, look at those colors. I see a video coming. Wow, look at how pretty they are. And then we have Luxe. I'm sure that this is a lip oil. Yep, that's what it says. It says lip oil. Oh, look how pretty that is. What a pretty color. And I love that the packaging has dragonflies on it, even though my camera does not want to pick that up. Very pretty. Oh, that smells really good. You can't really see it, but it's got a little bit of a shimmer to it. Very nice. It sure does smell better than this mask. For those of you that are keeping score, it still smells horrible. Thank you so much, Gloria. I am so surprised. I absolutely love it. It's Dragonfly Day. How awesome is that? So I'm pretty sure that it has been 10 to 15 minutes. It's still a little tacky. It says it's supposed to dry down, but I have a little bit of it coming off on my hands. But I'm going to go wash this off and we'll see what the results are. And I'll be right back. Okay, so here's what my face looks like after I have taken the mask off. And it does look a little brighter. It does not feel any softer than it did, and I have a little dry patch right here that's still there. It's supposed to be exfoliating, so I would have thought that it would have taken that little bit of dead skin off, but it's still there. It smelled terrible taking it off because, you know, I rehydrated it and it does not smell good at all. Not that that's a big deal unless you're super sensitive to different smells and things, and I can't say 100% for sure because I've only used it one time, and I think it's suggested to use it 2 or 3 times a week for you to get the full benefits of it. So I can't attest to how well it actually works. But for one, I don't remember what the website said, 1.5 or 1.7 ounces of product for $85, I would not pay that. But I will leave the link for the product down in the description box just in case you want to go check it out. And before we go, I want to do a shout out for another channel here on YouTube. It's Makeup in Chaos, and it's Ash, and I will put a picture of her channel right here, and as I talk a little bit about her, I'll scroll some pictures through of some of the looks and different things that she has done. She does a lot of body art type makeup, and I love those kind of looks. I love to watch those kind of videos. I find it very interesting. Obviously, as an artist, those things intrigue me. So go check out Ash's channel. She is an amazing young woman. Listening to her talk about her life and her stories is very interesting to me. I love the tone of her voice. It's very calm, and I don't know, there's something about her voice just is very calming to me. So make sure you go check out Ash's channel. I will have that link down below. Maybe watch a couple of her videos, and if you find that you click with her content, then subscribe to her channel and let us all help to support her. That wraps it up for another Mask Monday in the books. I hope that you all have a fabulous week. Thank you so much for hanging in there with me in the stinky blue mask. If you enjoyed my video, show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup or a stinky mask out and play with it. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, when I unboxed this, I told you that it might be good for stink bait. I'm thinking that if you just slather it on your face and go fishing, you won't need a fishing pole. Just sit next to the water and the fish will come up and suck onto your face, and you can just pull them off and throw them in the basket, okay? And you'll be doing something great for your skin at the same time, okay? Mama loves you, boo.